To add a picture, all you need to do is go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Now I'm going to add just a quick picture of my boys because I know I have that on my desktop that's easily accessible. But you would grab a picture of your kiddo in their Halloween costume and it'll show up here. You can probably hear my kids in the background. They're playing dominoes. You can adjust the picture to fit in the frame here and then help your child fill these two sections out. My favorite thing about Halloween and why I picked this costume. If you don't feel comfortable participating with putting their actual picture in, you can have them draw a picture of themselves in their costume or they can describe their costume, either one. But if you could have this finished by Thursday evening so that I can get it set up for Friday and we can have our virtual costume parade, that would be great. You just need to make sure, by the way, I'm sorry, that you go down and find your child's slide. Obviously, I borrowed Kelsey for this one. If you need an extra for some reason, there's an example here that you can borrow. I think that's everything. If you have any problems with it, you can always send me the picture and I'll take care of inserting it for you. Sorry that was such a broken up little video. I'm listening to my kids, like I said, play dominoes in the other room. All right, good luck. Let me know if you need any help at all.